How to remove red moles. If you have red moles, you should not be alarmed because they have no health risks. However, many people that have them want to remove them for aesthetic reasons. In this article, we will provide natural remedies to remove red moles, as well as explain what they are, why they appear, the medical treatments that exists, and some general tips to care for and protect your skin. What do they look like? Red moles, also known as nevus, have a circular shape, are red, and tend to be no bigger than 2 mm in diameter. They tend to mainly appear on the thorax area, neck, and arms. Why do they appear? In most cases, they appear with the passing of time and can be seen in elderly people more and more frequently. It is also true that they are more common in people with very fair skin. The main causes for their apparition are dilation of the small blood vessels in the skin and overexposure to the sun. How to remove them? If they are small, you can conceal them with concealers or makeup, although there are different medical treatments that allow you to remove them. In this case, you should consult your doctor or dermatologist so that they can tell you which would work best for you. Surgery. This mainly applies to big and deep moles. It is done with a skin incision, the mole is extracted and then the area is stitched. It can be painful and tends to leave a scar. Laser therapy. This method is fast and painless and has barely no side effects. Cryotherapy. This option uses nitrogenous liquid to freeze the mole and then extract it in the same way as warts are removed. The problem is that it is pricey. In any case, some people prefer to first try some natural remedies because in this way they will avoid the discomforts of medical treatment and their high prices. The following are some natural remedies. Castor oil. You will need castor oil, a cotton ball, and surgical tape. Soak the cotton ball in the oil and apply it to the mole, securing it with the help of surgical tape. Change the cotton ball every day with a new one and do it for 7 days in a row. Garlic. Garlic has very powerful properties, as you may already know, because of its ability to remove warts. It works in a similar way in this case. Apply a piece of fresh garlic every day to the mole and keep it in place with surgical tape. Change it twice a day, preferably in the morning and before you go to bed. You can also do this treatment by eating raw garlic or garlic oil capsules. Sour apple. Blend the juice from a sour apple and apply it to the mole at least 3 times a day for 3 weeks. This is a slow treatment that requires patience, but it is effective and you will see how it disappears. Caring for your skin. In order to prevent new moles from appearing, you will need to take care of your skin, especially if it is sensitive or very fair. Always protected from solar radiation, especially in the summer and during the highest radiation hours, between 12 and 4 p.m. Always use sunscreen but prevent exposure or cover your skin during the day. Do natural peels once a week or every 15 weeks with proper products for your skin type and the sensitivity of every zone of your body. Hydrate and nourish your skin frequently with vegetables or natural hydrating creams. Use natural fabrics like linen or cotton and avoid synthetic fabrics. Have a balanced diet. Eat fruit, raw vegetables, and healthy fats every day. These will nourish your skin deeply and give it vitality. Shower with cold water whenever possible, or at least end the shower with cold water to improve cutaneous and your body's circulation in general. Very hot water weakens you and takes away your skin's firmness.